You ever notice how the people you chase the most, the ones you give your purest energy to, are the ones who end up treating you like an option? The harder you try to win their attention, the more they pull away. It's a game you never signed up for, yet you're playing it on their terms. But what if I told you that the real secret to gaining attention is to stop seeking it altogether? I'm the Dark Light Mentor, and today I'm going to show you why you should never fight for anyone's attention, and what you should do instead to make them respect, value, and even chase you. Let me take you back to a time when I didn't understand this. I used to think that if I showed up, if I put in the effort, if I was always there for people, they'd appreciate me. But the reality, the more I gave, the less they cared. I was overextending, proving my worth, and trying to be seen, all while they barely lifted a finger. Sound familiar? See, human nature is tricky. We don't value what's easily available. It's why people treat free things like they have no worth. But when they have to work for something, suddenly it's important. You're giving people VIP access to your energy, yet they're acting like they don't even need a ticket. Now, let me be clear. I'm not saying you should play mind games. I'm saying you should value yourself so highly that you don't need to convince anyone to give you attention. When you stop fighting for someone's presence in your life, you shift the power dynamic. And that's when they start noticing. So, what should you do instead? Here's the key. You must master the art of indifference, the ability to be unbothered, to be okay whether someone stays or leaves, to stop seeking external validation and start finding fulfillment within yourself. Let me give you a few practical steps that will immediately change the way people perceive you. Redirect your energy. Stop pouring your time into people who make you feel like you have to earn their interest. Instead, invest in yourself. Work on your fitness, your goals, your mind. Become so focused on your own path that their absence doesn't even faze you. The moment they sense you're no longer waiting for them, they'll start wondering why. Silence is your power. Not responding is a response. When someone pulls away, don't chase. Let them feel the space you leave behind. Silence makes people reflect, and in many cases, it makes them realize they took your presence for granted. Ever notice how people suddenly remember you when you stop reaching out? That's because they feel the void you once filled. Stop explaining yourself. If you ever feel the urge to justify why you deserve attention, stop. People who truly value you won't need an explanation. They'll just know. And those who need convincing, they were never going to appreciate you in the first place. Raise your standards. This one is crucial. When you don't tolerate breadcrumbs, people either step up or step out. Both are wins. If someone can go days without thinking about you, let them. If they make excuses for not prioritizing you, believe them. But don't ever lower your standards just to fit into someone else's convenience. Become the prize. This is the real shift. Instead of thinking, why aren't they giving me attention? Ask yourself, why am I giving them mine? Turn the tables. When you stop proving yourself, when you carry yourself with confidence, when you live your life without seeking validation, that's when people start craving your energy. It's psychology. People are drawn to what feels scarce and valuable. Look, I get it. It's hard to pull away when you care. It's painful to feel ignored. But understand this, you are the asset. Your time, your energy, your presence, it's all valuable. And when you start treating it like gold, others will too. And here's the best part. The moment you stop fighting for someone's attention, you attract the right people effortlessly. The ones who see your worth without needing reminders. The ones who respect your energy because you respect it first. So here's what I want you to do right now. Comment below, I am the prize, if you're ready to stop chasing and start attracting. And tell me, have you ever been in a situation where you felt like you had to fight for someone's attention? Let's talk about it in the comments. And remember, we're just getting started. Next, we'll meet tomorrow. Be ready, because what's coming next might just change your life. See you soon.